Our final problem that we're going to look at here in this interest test review is a problem that deals with the monthly payment, or whatever it might be. It could be a weekly payment if you had some kind of loan that you had to pay every week. But most loans are usually on a monthly payment for most people. So our problem here involves the good old Bob the Builder, and he's building a home. Now the way we do monthly payment is we use the compound interest formula first to see what this would grow to. We then set up an annuity to offset, and so we find out the monthly payment from our annuity formula. So the way this works is we take our amount of money that's being put in, our $1,800,000 that we want to have the loan for, and we use compound interest to let that grow. It's 0.062% or 6.2%, so 0.062. It's monthly. That would be 12 times 25 years is how long Bob wants this loan for. We work that out, and then we'll use that number. Now that amount will grow to $9,717,693.51. That number is just an intermediate value that we're going to use to do the problem. It isn't the answer. We then take that amount and plug that in to our monthly payment formula. And then work everything out, and that will then be our monthly payment. And we take that answer and we work it out to figure out our monthly payment. Okay, and so we find out that Bob is going to have to pay a whopping $13,596.55 each month for this home. Okay. Now, some of these questions with monthly payment may ask a second question. May ask you the question of, hey, what's it going to be? How much will you pay total over the whole time period? So sometimes we're asked the question, how much will he pay total for the house? Well, those questions don't really have a formula. All we really do then is take our amount of money times the number of payments times the number of years. Right, and that would tell us in total he would end up paying for this $1.8 million home $4,078,965. Okay, that's how much he would actually end up paying for the home. And sometimes with the monthly payment you might be asked that question. You weren't asked that here. All we needed to know is the monthly payment. Okay, hopefully this will help you as you get ready for this test. Again, you really need to look for these keywords and ask yourself, especially with the ones that aren't simple interest, is it being paid once or is it being paid more than once? Once you answer that, you can then decide, hey, which of the formulas should I use? If it's a compound interest formula, you know it's compound interest because you're putting the money in once. Then the question is, do I know what I'm starting with? If I want to find out what I want to end up with, then I use my amount formula. If I want to know what I need to start with, then I need to use my principal, or I call present value or principal formula. Okay, good luck.